Hello friends, we'll solve one more problem on work and time. Question is, A and B can do a piece of work in 8 hours. B and C can do the same work in 12 hours and A and C the same work can do in 16 hours. How long will each of them take to do it separately? Okay, so A and B, they complete the work in 8 hours, B and C complete the work in 12 hours, and A and C can complete the work in 16 hours. How long will each of them take to do it separately? If they individually, if they start working on the work, okay, how much time they take? Okay, individually how much A take, how much B take, and how much C take individually. This question is asking to on 14 question paper for 8 marks. Question number 24A. A and B can do a piece of work in 8 hours. That is given. Work done by A and B in 1 hour. Okay. In 8 hours they complete the work. In 1 hour they complete 1/8 work. In 1 hour they can complete 1/8 work. Okay. If A and B together, they need 1/8, they can complete 1/8 work, okay, in 1 hour. Similarly, B and C can do a piece of work in 12 hours. That also given. So in 1 hour they can do 1/12 work. Both B and C in 1 hour they can complete 1/12 work. That is B plus C. B and C combinedly they can complete in 1 hour they can complete 1/12 work. Similarly, A and C can do a piece of work in 16 hours. Work done by A and C in 1 hour. In 1 hour they can complete 1/16 work. Okay, so that is A plus C is equal to 1/16. Okay, so here there are 3 equations. A plus B is equal to 1/8, that is equation 1. B plus C is equal to 1/12, that is equation 2. And A plus C is 1/16, that is equation 3. Now we subtract equation 1 minus equation 3. Okay, so you have to find individual work. If you subtract A plus B minus A minus C, okay, you get a new equation. So equation 1, A plus B is equal to 1/8 minus equation 3. Equation 3 is what? A plus C is equal to 1/16. Okay, if you subtract A plus B minus A minus C, A plus C. Okay, so if you A plus B minus A plus C, then here A and A get cancelled. A minus A get cancelled. Then B minus C. B minus C is remain. Okay, so here 1/8 minus 1/16. Then 16 is the LCM. 8 2s are, then 2 1s are, then minus 16 1s are, 1 1s are, that is 1. So that's equal to 1/16. Okay, B minus C is equal to 1/16. Okay, that is equation 4. Okay, now you add equation 2 plus equation 4. Okay, because okay, if you add equation 2 plus equation 4, that is B plus C is equal to 1/12 plus B minus C is equal to 1/16. If you subtract, okay, here C and C get cancelled, so that you can find individual work done by A, work done by B. Okay, so that you have to add equation 2 plus equation 4. If you add equation 2 plus equation 4, B plus C is equal to 1/12 plus B minus C is equal to 1/16. Okay, if you add B plus B, it becomes 2B plus C minus C, it becomes cancelled. Okay, plus C minus C get cancelled. Okay, then what is remain? B plus B, that is 2B's remain. C and minus C get cancelled. Okay, so that is 1/12 plus 1/16. Okay, so what is the LCM here? 48 is the LCM. Okay, so 2B, C and C get cancelled. B plus B is equal to 2B. So 1b plus 1b, that is equal to 2b. here LCM is 48. So 12 4s are 48, 4 1s are 4. Then here 16, 16 3s are 48, 3 1s are 3. So 2b is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 divided by 48. Then b is equal to, here 2 you take this side, okay, 2 into b. So, okay, when it comes this side, divide. Okay, so 1 by 2 means what? 7 divided by 48 into 2. Okay, 7 into 1 7, then 48 into 2 is 96. Therefore b alone can do a work in 96 by 7 hours. Okay, b alone can do a work in 96 by 7 hours. Okay, so in 1 hour they can complete, a alone can complete 7 by 96 work. Okay, in 1 hour. Okay, 7 by 96 work. So to complete the whole work, okay, they need 96 by 7 hours. Okay, this b is equal to 7 by 96 what? In 1 hour they can complete 7 by 96 work. Okay, to complete the whole work, okay, to complete the whole work, b alone need 96 by 7 hours. 96 by 7 hours. Okay, so it is around okay, nearly 13 hours, 13 point something. Okay, 13 hours point something. Then b alone need nearly 13 point something hours. Okay, next. Okay, so here b alone can take 96 by 7 hours. Similarly, you have to find a and c. Okay, to find a and c, okay, consider from equation 1. Okay, from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, you know b value. B value is what? 7 by 96. Okay, so b value is 7 by 96. Okay, so a plus 7 by 96 equal to 1 by 8. Okay, if you want to find a, okay, this part you take this side. Okay, so a is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, this plus become minus here, 7 by 96. Then take LCM. Okay, take LCM. 96 is the LCM. 8 12s are, okay, 8 10s are 80, then plus 16 is there. It means 8 into 2 16. Okay, total 12. 8 12s are 96. Then 96 1s are, okay, 8 12 are 96. 12 into 1 are 12. Then okay, 7 96 1s are, 1 into 7 is 7. So 17 minus 7 is 5. 5 divided by 96. So therefore a alone can do a piece of work in 96 by 5 hours. Okay, in 1 hour they can, a alone can do 5 by 96 work. Okay, then to complete the whole work, a alone need how much? 96 by 5 hours to complete the whole work. Okay, so it is around 19 hours. Okay, it's around 19 hours to 19 point something to complete the work. 19.2. Okay, they need 19.2 hours to complete the whole work. A alone need 19.2 hours. Okay, or 96.5. 96 divided by 5 hours. Okay, so now we calculated a value and b value. Okay, so b alone need 96 by 7 hours, 96 by 7 hours to complete the work, and similarly a alone can do piece of work in 96 by hours. Okay, now we have to find c. B and a already calculated. Then next is c. C alone need how much hours to complete the whole work? Okay, you know b value. Okay, put the b value here. You can find c value from equation 2. Consider b plus c is equal to 1 by 12. Or you can take equation 3 also, a plus c also. You know a value, put a value, you can find c. Or you can take equation 2 also. Okay, anyone you can take. So b value is how much? B value is 7 by 96. Okay, put b value here. Okay, 7 by 96. Okay, put b value is 9 by 76 plus c. Then c is equal to, this part you take this side, so c is equal to 1 by 12 minus 7 by 96. 1 by 12 minus 7 by 96. Then 96 is the LCM. Okay, so 12 8 is 96. Okay, 8 1 is 8. Then 96 1 is 96. 1 into 7 is 7. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 by 96. So C alone can do a piece of work in 96 by 1 or 96 hours. Okay, to complete the work in 1 hour, they can complete in 1 hour 1 by 96 work. To complete the whole work, C alone need 96 hours. Okay, it's clear, no? So C need 96 hours to complete the same work. C alone need 96 hours. Then A alone need 96 divided by 5 hours, or nearly 19 point something. Then B need 96 by 7 hours. Okay, or nearly some 13 point something. Okay, clear, no? Okay, yes, thank you.